Welcome to an overview discussion and demonstration of real-time production monitoring from DELMIAworks. RealTime provides the core tools for the acquisition and distribution of critical manufacturing data, giving users a live look into their production environment to determine the current status of every machine running on the plant floor. This dynamic tool generates instant feedback and performance updates to those who need to see it most, indicating whether jobs will be completed on time or not, as well as those machines that are currently down. All members of a manufacturing operation have information to gain from this useful tool, as represented by the various views of information, including work orders, part numbers, quality control, and more. In the Work Orders view, sales and customer service can see if their customers' orders are set to be completed on time. This only includes items relating to this information and doesn't include any of the details surrounding the jobs, such as how many cavitations are being used in this particular run of each job, up and down hours, and so on. It acts as an excellent on-time delivery summary. Just as with other areas of the system, color coding is utilized within real-time production monitoring. Green means jobs will be completed on time, red means they won't, and yellow indicates that given machine is down. The part numbers view of real-time provides great general information regarding running jobs and is ideal for an on board. This view digs deeper into the details of each job, from a manufacturing standpoint, providing individual shop floor employees a look into exactly what is causing each job to generate their corresponding status. Quality assurance would likely benefit most from the quality control view, which provides information relating to both good and bad parts for each of the running work centers, as well as information relating to the cycle efficiency of each operating work center. The Setup Control view is an ideal screen for users who work in the tool room of a manufacturing operation. They can see which tools are next in the sequence of scheduled jobs, giving them ample time to pull and prepare what is necessary before they are to be loaded into their corresponding work centers for use. Users can also see which tools are out of service, which allows them to best make substitution decisions if need be. The Material Control view is much like Setup Control in that it indicates what is currently being run as well as what is needed for the next job, only this time the system is displaying raw material information. Users can see how much time is left prior to needing to consume the new materials, which allows for the prioritization of tasks on the shop floor. The Cycle Part Counts view gives shop floor managers a quick glance view as to their overall production, including totals by the shift and day. Finally, the OEE Factors view is often referred to as the Executive view, since this screen not only includes information relating to the number of good parts and rejects over a given period of time, but it also generates percentages for each work center, which relate to availability, performance, quality, and an averaged overall figure. This is also broken out by manufacturing cell, allowing for grouping of the work centers, possibly by manufacturing type. RealTime allows users to monitor production at multiple levels, including the shop floor level, which is the default view within this module. At the individual work center level, which provides a look into the details of each work center's operations. At the plant-wide view, which includes all work centers of all manufacturing types. A view that reduces each work center's production to a simple bar chart. And finally, the executive level, which reduces the information further into a few percentages that display their overall plant-wide performance. Real-time production monitoring was designed with efficiency in mind, including the way in which users can access and enter information when need be. For example, with a simple right-click on the relevant work center, a user can enter rejects into the system. Pre-created reject codes can be quickly referenced for the particular instance, so users can post the information and resume their work as efficiently as possible. If a work center is not producing any cycles, it will automatically be flagged within real-time as being down, allowing a user to enter the reasoning as to why. For example, a user can right-click on work center number 4 and open Downtime to select the downtime code from the list, which can be created and modified to suit each manufacturer's needs. RealTime also allows users to view important documents that are related to each work center, such as their machine startup procedure as seen here. Just as in other areas of the system, Jump To features are prevalent within real-time production monitoring, including the ability to quickly access a bill of material, inventory item, work order, and so on. The system also allows for the quick printing of real-time labels with a right-click and selection of this item here. Users can also use RealTime to modify the actual cavitation for a specific work order on the fly if it differs from what is listed on the corresponding bill of material for whatever reason. This will actively change the number of parts produced per cycle. Lot numbers can also be modified with the same right-click functionality, allowing for custom values to be entered if need be. Priority notes can be added as well, which appears in other views within RealTime, such as this note, which is now displayed in the Work Orders view. RealTime also allows users to create maintenance, repair, and overhaul work orders on the fly, using the same right-click functionality discussed thus far. The system also allows users to report production before the production reporting process takes place by using floor disposition. This tool also allows for the reporting of non-conform parts as well, to ensure as much information is captured as possible. Users can also conduct quick SPC inspections from this screen with a simple right-click, bringing up the Quick Inspection module. Scheduled inspections can also be found within this module as well. If a user wanted to view specific bill of material information for an item that is currently running on a work center, they can open the Bom Tree. This offers a great deal of information, including the BOM quantity explosion, which allows users to enter a manufacturing quantity to have the system generate the number of components needed. This updated information can be viewed by selecting the Material Exception List icon. Finally, 3 reporting screens are available to users within real-time production monitoring: Reject Reporting, Real-Time Histogram, and Show Quality Issues. Reject reporting aids users in exploring what type of production issues are present for a given work center and bill of material. Real-time histogram shows the rate of production for a given work center and how that has changed over the course of the shift, entire run, or specific production date. Show Quality Issues provides a launching off point for all issues relating to quality assurance. In this overview, we have reviewed the ways in which real-time production monitoring provides a window into the live manufacturing statuses of every work center on the plant floor, and included the ways each member of an organization can benefit from the information. We also learned about reporting and how each member of the production team can keep the most accurate updates within the system, helping to improve the clarity of the overall production progress view as a whole.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this overview of real-time production monitoring from DELMIAworks. If you would like more information on the products and services from DELMIAworks, please visit 3ds.com/DELMIAworks.